fan collectors? It's Hayden here with another video. This is a video of this Hampton Bay Glendale ceiling fan. It looks new. It's neat Farmington. It's in the dining room or breakfast room, whatever you want to call it, in the beach house I'm staying in. Got a bunch of switches here. It goes to those lights over there. I'm videotaping, so. And yeah, that's what it does. Set this off now. And yeah. We're gonna demonstrate it, starting with the light. Looks good. The globes are not original at all, just so you know. It has, the globes are probably not original. They probably were bought separately, but who knows? And these pull chains are not original either. Now we're gonna demonstrate the fan, starting with low. Hope this fan's not making any noises. Oh, nothing. Don't know what year this fan's from. I do feel a decent amount of air from it already. Now we're gonna put it on medium. The pull chains are not original. The fan chain is extended to a certain length. Don't know what kind of motor this fan has either. Yeah, Farmington again. And yeah, it does blow some good air on medium. Now for high. This fan's got a slow high speed to it. Pretty fast. I'd say about a little under 200 RPMs or so. It's pretty fast and it's moving a lot of air. Or this Glendale is at least. It's surprisingly good compared to the other Glendales that I've seen. Just the lights. This fan's moving a lot of air. It's surprisingly better than both of my grandparents. Oh shit, it's tangled up. Now we're gonna put the fan back to low with the light on. That's the way we usually keep it whenever we're in the house. And to shut it off, we just use the switch over there.
You ready? She in your wallet?
Yeah, this fan is surprisingly one of the better made Glendales that I've experienced with. It's actually pretty good. And to shut it off, we just use the switch. See you later, fan collectors. Bye.